Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. This is transformation. So we have a shape, a triangle here, which we have to apply transformations. For example, the shape given here, one its vertex is -3, -2. So this is the vertex. -3, -2 is here. X -3, Y -2. And there is another -4, -4. X -4, Y -4. It is here. And then we have -1, -4. So this is a triangle which we have to reflect in y-axis. We have to reflect in y-axis. So first we do this, reflect in y-axis. So we will see that what happens to it. Okay. So reflect in y-axis, we are reflecting in y-axis. We can see that what is y-axis? Y-axis, the vertical line here on which the numbers are mentioned, you can see we have to reflect this triangle in y-axis. So see that y-axis is the vertical line. We can name it A, B, C. This triangle name is ABC. So we can see that from y-axis, one unit on left is B. So its image will be here, and we name it B prime. A is how many units away from y-axis? 1, 2, 3, 4 units. So on the same line, 4 unit, we have to go towards right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here is point A in this new place of point A called A prime. From C, point C, if you look at point C is on this line passing through -2, y value -2. Okay, how many units it is towards left? 1, 2, 3 units. So we have to go 3 units towards right. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 3 units towards right. So this is C prime. Now we can join to get the reflection. So this is reflection. So we can say that triangle ABC is reflected in y-axis. Triangle A prime, B prime, C prime is obtained